Today we're 3D printing and assembling the DT-10 Mandalorian blaster. And this is of course from Star Wars. And the files I'm using today are all linked in the description below. They're all free and the original designer is 3D Delight. And this is a really simple, nice 3D model that we can print off very quickly and assemble very simply. So I highly recommend this and it's well worth giving it a go. And in today's video, we're going to resin print it and then paint it up. And I'm not looking for an authentic paint job here. I'm going to do something that I think is cool, but not screen accurate. And here are all of the parts. What I love about this is it is super simple. There's only really a few pieces and you don't really need instructions to put it together as well. And then at the end of the day, you end up with something that looks really cool. So of course you attach the handles together, then to the body, and that will result in you having the rear section done. And as you can see here, I've gone ahead and given it a paint job. And now we're just going to put it all together. And this is nice and simple. So we'll start with the front. We've got this section that goes on. Of course, I've gone with a nice metallic yellow, but you can go with any color you want here. Then we've got a connector piece that just simply goes in here. A nice little insert. I would probably do that a different shape if I could design the files myself, because don't know how strong it's actually going to be. But that's it, almost done. We got one more piece to put on the top and then we're complete. And I gotta say, putting this in resin and it's hollow, it actually does have a lot of weight because of course that massive nose, it feels really nice in the hand. So this is a very, very cool, simple model. Highly recommend printing it out. It was very nice to work with, very simple to work with. And I think at the end of the day, it looks really, really good. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.